It's like a toddy.
It's like a hottie toddy.
It's a hot toddy, but the absinthe is so herbal that you can omit the tea bag, and the cranberry, the cinnamon, and the honey balances the herbal absinthe, and it makes a fantastic. It's a very different flavor profile than what you get in a hot toddy with the whiskey and the lemon and the cinnamon traditionally.
How y'all doing? I just want to say welcome to the RV show. I appreciate y'all coming to 1509 and making it such a special occasion. Also, I appreciate the drink that you taught me how to make and everything. I'm gonna have to do that, all right? But I just want to say thank y'all so much, okay? Peace. Y'all have a good one. Love, peace, and soul.
My page, my own birthday.
Your face for your birthday.
That's how this works.
Yep.
You missed your window by about 5 minutes.
Yeah, you did. Ta-da! Oh, kitten. We are back home. Thoroughly wet.
Inside Madison is dry too.
And
Look at that.
yeah, that's Michael's birthday day.
You're damn right it is.
So last night when we came back from the dinner, this protective corner was blown away. So I want to see how much force it takes to take it off actually. And the fish is jumping today again, everywhere. We're showing the cat all those fish school. They were there.
Oh, there's so many. So many.
Found you. You strategizing?
Yo.
Okay.
We're strategizing. We're gonna drill a hole today. Somewhere between my feet.
That's a long distance.
Well, probably somewhere over here. I'm trying to think about the parts and how we're actually going to tee. We're going to tee into this braided or spiral wound hose and pull a line off.
So where that hose comes out?
This hose comes from the tanks right there.
And it goes to, oh, is that the pump?
This is the water pump.
Water pump.
Pump,
The
water, shower. Deuce.
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 So we are planning to install a side glass with a visual level for our water tank so that we can see how much water we have left in the tank, even when our gauge, the electrical gauge, is compromised. So if we lose that connection, what's not, so we can still see how much water we have left. So today's project is we're gonna drill a hole in our hole. So we planned out where it's gonna go, where it's gonna come out, and so that's what we're gonna do. There's lots of space in this locker. I can just see it over here, and there's a ton of space.
Pencil. And we're gonna tee over here, and that'll give me flexibility. That's pretty good for a locker. Well, there you go. That's more at the bottom. We're gonna go right here. I'm safe to go right there. I'm gonna go a little bit lower. And we're gonna go here. There's our mark.
Looks like it's good.
And so now if you want to go to the other side.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
So what I did on the other side, when you look in there, you'll see all the wiring, and I put 2 wood blocks in there to push the wiring off the wall. So I need to know basically when you see the drill bit come through. See the light?
Yeah.
Is it coming through clean or is it like diffused?
Diffused.
Yeah, I'm probably not through all the way.
You're not through.
You see where it's bright, where it's coming through now?
Yeah.
Drilling?
Yep. Yeah. Stop. Yep, you're pushing the wood. We got a hole. Tiny hole, and the fiberglass starts splitting on the sides, but we should be okay. Whew, my job was done here.
We'll have to make it.
We have to make it bigger.
We do, but that's.
Right.
I just wanted the placement done so I don't have to think about it again.
Yeah.
Making it bigger is easy. Where are we? Oh, good. We're right about where we wanted to be. Fantastic.
So what we're gonna do today?
That's it.
Yay!
one
That's
hole.
sure. One hole.
It took me the better part of 2 whole days to figure out where to drill the hole.
That sounds.
Well, I knew where I wanted to drill the hole. I had to make sure it was safe
Yeah.
to drill, and that I knew where I wanted it on the water side.
Yeah.
But figuring out where it was going to come out
On that tiny
on
space.
this side with all the electrical wiring
Yeah.
down there was a 2 to 3 day exploration.
Thumbs up. Good job.
So, and now I've got fiberglass
Oh.
thread
Ooh.
stuck in me. That's what makes your arms all red when you're reaching around in there.
Oh yeah.
All the raw fibers, if it's not gel coated.
Well, we just got our water maker in. It's a huge box, and apparently it's really heavy. Wow.
This one's light. This one's heavy. This is all parts. I don't even know how they make these. They inflate the foam around. You got it?
Yep.
Put it on this for a minute. Impression. Here's the main unit. So the water maker we purchased is from Spectra. It's the Ventura Remote Manual VT200RT, and that is the middle automated version optimized for higher production in warm water. When we did our research, we were looking for a high efficiency unit in terms of power usage per gallon.
I'm just staging them flat.
The Spectra units had the highest efficiency of everything that we found, and this unit is at approximately 15 watt-hours per gallon. So we wanted something that was DC powered. We didn't want to, also we didn't want to have to run the generator to make water. So that limited us to DC powered units.
These are all the parts, and now we're gonna bring the unit itself. It is well packed.
Oh, there's another.
Is it a two-part?
Yeah. We knew that we were going to be on the East Coast in the summer, and a lot of the waters we would be in would not be great for making water. Inland, intercoastal harbors and things. And so we decided to get the Z-Ion option, which gets us from the typical 5-day use or flush to a 30-day use or flush without having to preserve the system. Reducing maintenance is nice. There's a lot of maintenance to be done, and so for us that was worth it to not have to preserve the unit every year in the summer. We didn't plan to run this thing unattended. The full automation is not necessarily a big value proposition for us. We plan to have the sight glass next to the tank so we'd see what the tank volume is. It's easy to start, stop, and flush with the remote manual option. It's not fully manual in terms of setting the flow path on the fully manual, and so it was a good compromise for cost and convenience. Unseat it. There you go. Hose off. It's kind of them to send me all this nice hose.
You didn't expect a hose?
No, I did. Pull the hose out. They send you a lot of
Auxiliaries?
yeah, like all the hose and valving and stuff.
This is your exercise.
They don't have to send you this. This is like the drain line to connect to your drain system and the supply lines.
Mm.
They could tell you to, that's a utility, so you apply those yourselves.
Yeah.
Like they didn't give me the fittings because I don't know where I'm gonna plug this in, but they give you the hose. These are going in the bunk. And then get up.
It's our unit.
There he is. So this is the actual RO. This is the part that does the desalination. Everything else is just ancillary.
He's still here.
Oh yeah, he's eating the grass.
Oh,
He keeps coming back.
we got a helper. Cleaner.
He's eating the grass off the boat.
Big.
It's a big one, yeah. He's over 12 inches across, I think.